Open. This is your house.
Yep.
Oh, tour us.
Down to up.
No.
Then.
You need to show your house first. Here is the door.
Yan, kusina.
The entrance. What about this one? Ito, ano to?
That's a closet.
What? Can I see it? Wow, your closet.
Tapos, ang siyat man.
And then, this is your shoe rack.
Yeah.
Kulay violet yung napunta sa kay ate. Yung binigay sa ate.
I'll show you the bathroom.
Oh, I like it. This is your house.
Yeah, wait. I'll show you. Ang laki naman yung sa mga.
Nag-ano ka? What are you doing?
I'm just taking a
There's where you're going to pee.
Yeah.
And then this one.
Yeah.
Ay, ito yung labas ng ano, yung paraiso.
Power ISO. This is my window.
Yeah, you show if you want to cook, where you going to cook? No, this is dishes. Where's your, ano?
Can you press open that? I'll show you inside.
No, don't open it.
There's something inside because my towel cheese.
Chismis, the salad.
Yeah, can you please get open that?
No, it's okay. It's already locked. Oh. Then this one is your.
Door. Just wait, just move a second.
Why?
Wait a second.
You're going to pee? Okay, fine. Are you done? So say it. That is for today's video. Louder.
This is for today's video.
Don't forget
Don't forget
to like and subscribe. See ya.
See you.
Bye-bye.